Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious veggie frittata. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want to select your favorite fresh vegetables, such as colorful bell peppers, tender spinach, and sweet onions. Remember to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is crucial for even cooking. Then, whisk together 8 large eggs with a generous splash of milk or cream for a fluffy texture. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect frittata. Now, let's get those vegetables cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a 10-inch oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Start by adding your harder vegetables, like diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, incorporate softer greens, such as fresh spinach, stirring just until they wilt down. This ensures all your vegetables are perfectly cooked and flavorful before adding the eggs. It's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour your whisked egg mixture evenly over the sautéed vegetables in the skillet. For an extra layer of flavor, you can sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or Gruyere, over the top. Now, transfer the skillet directly into your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the frittata is beautifully set and golden brown. Your delicious veggie frittata is ready. Once out of the oven, let it rest in the skillet for about 5 minutes. This helps it set further and makes it easier to remove. Then, carefully slide the frittata onto a cutting board. You can cut it into 4 to 6 generous wedges, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. Garnish with some fresh herbs, like chopped parsley or chives, for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.